Yes. Happy birthday to. Yes.
Hello and namaskar. My name is Sarthak and I am from White Shark Energy. As you would be already aware, we travel across different solar installation sites to check on the quality of our solar installation. And here, today we are at Power Grid Corporation of India Limited, HVDC Konya, where we have installed a 100 kilowatt peak on-grid solar power plant, which is ground mounted. In a way, this is one of our novel structures for us. We had worked with rooftop installations in the past, but hey, there is always a first time, and hence we made sure that the structures that we use for a ground-mounted installation like this are robust and stand through the 25 years lifetime of the plant. To start with the most important thing, the solar panel, well, we have gone with the tried and tested Renewsys. You would be aware that even in Club Town apartments, we installed Renewsys polycrystalline panels and we had no complaints on the generation till now. And that's why for this 100 kilowatt peak plant, we trusted on Renewsys Poly 335 watt peak modules. A total of 300 modules are spread across this plant, which is then connected to a 100 kilowatt peak inverter. Now, what is that? Let's take a look. From the DC side of things to the AC side of things. And here we stand in front of the brain of the system. This is the inverter room, and for the installation which is as magnanimous as this, deserves an equally high power inverter, for which we made a very conclusive choice of going with Huawei. We are back to our inverter, and this is a gem of a piece from Huawei, a 100 kilowatt peak string inverter that takes 20 string inputs from the panel side. The output of this inverter through the generation meter here on my back goes to this, the ACDB. From the ACDB, it goes straight into the LT panel of Power Grid, and let's find out where that is. Well, as we move towards the LT panel, let me spare a thought about this wonderful plant that we have. There are not many HVDC power plants in our country, and this being one of them gives us an unique opportunity for engineers like us to understand DC distribution. Located closely to NTPC Konya, Power Grid Konya delivers electricity from here to directly Bangalore via a dedicated DC line. We are now standing in the distribution room of PGCIL Konya, and you can look at to my back. This is the SLD of the plant. Solar has been included in the essential load part of it, which will trigger off if there is a power outage, which by the way hasn't happened even once in the last 17 years. Well, it's a big plant and roaming around takes a lot of energy, so I decided to rest down a bit and at the same time speak to you about the safety and protection aspects of the solar power plant. Now, working with the government and especially with an organization like Power Grid has huge demand for power safety, and that's why earthing pits like these have been spread across the plant, covering the inverters, the panels, and of course the lighting arrestor, which covers a 75 meter radius at level 1 protection. Well, to maintain a plant of this size, usually the most challenging thing is to keep the modules clean, and in cases like these, even keep my face clean. Well, as the day comes to an end, so does our journey. But there were many things new this time. There was ground-mounted system, Huawei inverter, and a HVDC plant. How many times do we get an opportunity to visit inside one? Before I leave though, I have just one thing to say. If solar is becoming so prevalent, if sun is available every day, if people are shifting to solar, corporations like these are shifting to solar, why aren't you? Give us a call today and shift to solar, and we will welcome you to White Shark. Thank you very much.